cat and dog.
Right.
So that's not two, but in Garifuna,
Garifuna is
you can do that.
Yeah.
You can do Abamesu, Luma only. Okay, because Luma specify one, singular, right? Yeah. Abamesu, but also, if you say Mesu, Luma only, you know, it's pretty fine that you're talking about one cat. Yeah, but for the
So how do you
purpose
say
of,
cats and dogs?
but for the purpose of the sentence here, we wanted this to be there and also this to be on it. Yeah. Okay,
Mesu
how you
is
say
also-
cat and dogs? Cat and dogs,
Cats and dogs.
Cats and dogs.
Mesu, and then how will you say Luma?
Hama.
I mean, with plural,
Hama only.
it's Hama.
That defines the.
Only.
Okay, very good, very good.
But then how do you decide? Master is one master.
Luma. Luma.
There is a word you can define that if you want to go deeper. Mesugu.
Yeah.
You know, the cats. But we don't need this because mesu, you can say 100 cats, sames, right? So let's not think in English because if you think in English, you're gonna need the S, right? So we don't need the S. But the S will be the gu, right? Mesugu.
Garifunas.
That makes it plural too.
Very nice.
Only gu. Okay?
Oh, we're live online.
Was that clear?
Yes.
Verified? What does Hama mean? Hama?
With.
With plural.
Okay, with them, con ellos. Hama. Correct? Let's put this to test. Okay, the next one will be
Ugly boy.
a cat, a dog, and a woman.
Sounds like a movie.
Cat, dog, and a woman.
Uh-oh.
Okay, Ali Habeflesi,
Hama meso only tomorrow worry.
translate it please.
A cat, dog, and a woman.
What's missing?
Abba.
Hama only.
Abba.
Yeah,
Abba.
Abba only. Abba Mesu,
No right then.
Abba Mesu, Abba only, Tuma, Abba Woody. Okay, throw it away.
Yay.
Abba Mesu, Serena.
Ruben. Also, Abba, Mesu, Abba, only, Tabu, Abba, Guri.
Okay. Biti binafi. Bravo. Beluma, bless it.
Hey, come on.
How's everybody?
Everybody good. How are you?
Tabu, Abba. So when you say the third noun, you say Tabu or Tuma. It's a choice of word. They are synonymous. Trust me.
Okay, this word here, it carries what follows. It's not with her, it's carrying her.
Exactly,
Okay?
that's what I'm
If
saying.
you're gonna tell me, take me out of here, please. Take me out of here. You don't say Numa, Luma, or Tuma. You don't use this. that's when you use this.
No.
Keimanapu.
When I'm saying, when you use more than two noun,
And then you say
like
tapo,
if you say,
tapo,
yeah, tabu at
abahuri.
the end, right?
Okay, but
Yeah.
what you did the work to buy a month,
Not
so like
with
a
two-
about.
Not only with two noun, when two noun is not customary, but
Okay.
usually customary, let's say. Aba only, aba mesu,
Labo aba.
tabu,
Tabu aba.
or labu, or habu,
La de ora en la de.
yeah, then you say the third noun.
Okay.
Yeah.
Agora te que bem, aba meso aba only tu aba uri.
Exactly,
Okay. Lige ba o sera ya.
yeah.
La de ga dame baluli tu liteme.
Mhm.
Amu halili la le. Lige amote mabuse no lige la no sera ya. De le hanyaliti. Buiti te wofu tu ni hon luma ge hanyali gili.
Yeah.
De mele la luli tu lige mem pa hosera. De ga amula lila bele ahen ti wayano sagi ti veyo o ti mege ti la buiti da lengo no ge tabu. Dat male gibe guanya. Gibe guanya riduti. Ifano no.
But then hagamu,
Aye. So, okay. Osminko is saying you can also get familiar with this word, tabu, which also means with, right? And you're gonna hear it. Some people may say with, tuma, or tabu. That's a good point right there.
Tabu comes from what word?
The same as
Tuma.
Yeah,
Tuma.
with.
With.
Okay, Ronnie.
Again, it's regional.
Let's see. Come up with a name. Did you write something? Oh,
What?
okay.
La goma allá.
Nika.
Then you go with the next one. A dog with a cat and a woman. Okay? A dog with a cat and a woman.
Oops. There's such a thing as a wife. Aba only, aba mesu.
A cat with a dog and a woman.
Oh,
I mean, a dog with a cat and a woman. Sorry.
Some cheating.
yeah, I'm not perfect.
You're missing something.
Nope.
No. It says with a cat.
Aba only, luma mesu, tuma uri.
A cat, a dog
With
a dog, with a cat and a woman. No, erase it.
okay.
I think I have a place.
Okay.
You don't be like,
Aba
put it in
only.
between, write it in between. That's all.
Okay.
Don't
Between
be
here.
like, don't be like me.
Aba only.
Don't learn from, don't copy from them.
Yeah.
Never I will. Yeah.
Okay. Ali, have a place?
Aba only, luma, aba mesu, tuma uri.
With a woman.
One dog with one cat. With.
Did we use with? A dog and a dog and a cat with a woman, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Aba only.
With a woman, right?
Yeah. Tuma, aba uri.
Ah, bravo. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, bravo. Leave.
Okay. Aba only, luma, aba mesu, tuma, aba uri.
Yeah.
Serve. Okay. This is gonna be difficult. Okay. This is gonna be a man and two dogs.
Wow.
Difficult. That's easy for me, Joe.
I'll put with plural over there. Whoa!
I told you. Too tough.
Oh my goodness!
Binaro.
Bravo!
I guess.
Ali, have a blessing?
Abang Iyeri Hama Piyama Unwe.
Data only.
Only.
Only. Wow!
That's all right, Michelle. Living proof that Saturdays and Garifuna class is working.
This is great.
Two
You can raise
dollars.
anything.
Oops.
Two dogs and a man, right?
I want to make sure I put the.
Ah, it's supposed to be from the head.
Nah.
Wow, this is great.
Yeah. What the Megati Luago.
Well appreciate it.
Sugar.
Oh. Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, Millie. I'll get later, bro.
What
I'll tell you later. Coffee mate? Oh, let me know. Let me know.
Well, I think that.
I don't know. Messed up, Nikki.
I messed up?
No. Talking like a man. Today,
Only on the last word.
the last word.
Okay,
See, you caught you.
let me give you a little help.
Wait.
See here? Goody means man, right?
Yes.
A yeti
Coffee.
means man. What's the difference between man and man? When you write it when you speak. Who says man this way? And who says man this
No,
way?
this is the masculine.
The masculine speaking say goody.
Right.
What do you consider?
Oh, I need to put. I don't know why. I kind of sort of have.
That's what happens when you come late.
Right.
Very good.
Aha!
I gotta read it.
I got my idea.
Oh, for real?
The little blessing.
Okay.
Buti binafi Deo. Ni tu.
That was me.
Princess.
Buti ya children ni.
Polisi.
Okay, that's all we have. Read it.
Read it now.
Abuti. Buti binafi. Kita bea.
Diama, only, Luma, Abba, Ayeri.
Okay, with the ceremony.
I guess we need some more chairs.
Okay. We got chairs. We got chairs. We got chairs. We have more folding chairs over there. Ronnie,
Okay.
Sumuntu. Biama only. Luma, Abba, Eyeri. Kalila Bay.
Beyond only.
Kalila Bay. Two dogs
And one woman.
and one
Oh, man, sorry.
and a man, right? Two dogs and a man. Okay. Sumuntu. Biam Abba. Nesu, Luma, Abba, only. Kalila Bay,
One,
a cat
and
with a dog. Okay? Or a cat and a dog. Tululu. Okay? Mesu, Sumutu. Mesu. Hama. Only.
Cats and dogs.
Cats and dogs. Cats and dogs, okay? Aba mesu. Sumutu. Aba mesu. Tuma. Aba wuri. Okay? Kalila Bay.
One cat with one woman.
Okay? A cat and a woman. Alright? Leama, Kemoyo. Aba mesu. Aba only. Tuma aba wuri. A cat, a dog, and a woman. Okay. Aba mesu.
Aba mesu.
Tuma aba hinyaru. Now, when someone came here, was it masculine who wrote this or feminine? Was the man or girl?
Man.
Okay. What about this second one?
Woman.
How do you know?
Hinyaru.
Hinyaru. This is how we know who wrote the song. We can tell if it was a male or female who wrote a song.
Wow,
Or
that's
a
a good.
statement. Okay?
Wow.
If you sing a song written by a female and you're a man, do you change it or you just sing
No,
it as it is?
I don't change it. I just sing it the way it is. It's a song. With
With the Binafi.
Hello, Romeo.
Binafi, need to with the Binafi.
Sarita.
Oh, bueno, wait one minute.
Déjame incluirme ahora.
Be ready. Are we?
I think so.
Yeah.
So, hayab yahon. Kaya na pwede lang natin mingo.
Let me get some more check.
No, Papa. We're gonna promote.
A woman and a cat. Okay? Who wrote this? Was this a male or female?
Female.
I want to see if you have good memory.
Wow.
Man.
Why is a female? Sure, Michelle?
Hinyaru.
Because Sehiñaru.
Oh.
Okay, it was written by either a boy or a female. Or Woody. Aba only. Luma aba mesu.
Luba Aba mesu.
Tuma aba Woody.
Tuma Aba Woody.
Kalila Bay.
One dog, a dog, and a cat,
And that cat and a woman.
and a woman.
Yep. A dog with a cat and a woman. Okay. Aba yeri. Hama.
Hama.
Biama only.
Biama only.
Okay. Nikki, a dog and a cat. How do you say? Do that again.
Ama only. Luma Mesa. Luma Aba Mesa.
Luma aba mesu. Correct. Arenga pegarito no?
A dog and a cat.
No, you say it in
Oh,
Garifuna.
Aba only.
Uh-huh.
Luma Aba Mesa.
Kalila Bay.
A dog and a cat.
Perfect. Déjame venir a Bolivia. Okay. Rooney. 2 dogs and 3 cats. Arenga pegarito no?
Biama only. Luma Biama. Luma Urua mesu.
Biama mesu, Luma. Biama only, Luma duro mesu.
Luma Urua mesu. Livia. Bi-
Luma is followed by a singular.
Oh, okay, okay.
More than one.
Right.
It's more than one, it's 3, right?
Biama only.
Biama only, 2 dogs.
Hama
Hama,
Urua mesu.
duro mesu. Hama determines a plural.
Right, not be now. Sereme.
What do you make it? Cheryl? You ready?
Wake up, Cheryl.
A man and 3 dogs.
Abba, Yeti, Hama, Ura.
Bravo! Okay, we go Michelle now. I gotta find out how difficult one for Michelle, 'cause, you know? A woman and 2 cats.
Abba Tinyaru, Hama, Yama, Nesu.
Bravo! Yeah.
Michelle.
Okay, Del, we're gonna say a cat and a woman. A cat and are you ready yet, or you gonna skip?
Cat is Mesu.
Uh-huh.
Abba Mesu.
Uh-huh.
What was the others?
And a cat and a woman.
Abba Mesu Wu.
No, that's a female cat.
Okay. Abba Mesu Hinaru. Tuma Abba Wu.
Uh-huh. That's a cat and a woman. Are you ready?
Abba Mesu Tuma Abba Wu.
I'm a man from our really. You're not bad.
Jill, yay.
Emerson.
Hey, whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Must be good about you, bro.
No, she's a woman.
Huh?
She's a
Yeah, you have to make that correction. Remember?
What they say?
Uh-huh. Yeah, wood is supposed to be said by man. So a cat and a woman, how will you say it?
Abba Mesu Abba Hinaru.
Nyaru. Ah.
Mama Nyaru, right? Nyaru. Nyaru. We love that. Okay.
Question here. Here's the question.
Jose Roberto, you ready?
Ready.
Okay, get ready.
Sarita, lista?
We're gonna skip you for now. Get ready.
You ready?
Emerson, have you come?
Okay?
Okay, you next, right?
Sarita, te habla tu mamá.
You stay here.
Viste ya, dale, dale, viste la veranía. Wala kita kumain ya. Okay, a cat and 2 dogs. Emerson.
Abba, Mesu, Biama, only.
Okay, translate that.
A dog, I'm sorry, a cat with 2 dogs.
You didn't say we.
You forgot the conjunction.
Oh,
Yeah.
Hama,
Ajá.
Renegade.
Abba, Mesu, Biama.
No, say it right this time.
What was the question again?
My fault. A cat and 2 dogs.
Oh, Abba, Mesu, Hama, Biama, only.
Correct. About that to Hama Biama only. Okay? This kind of, you kind of clear with this? Okay. Let's move on.
You forgot to ask Bill.
Nah, dude.
Bill is here. And they're not here, so we're gonna ask the children too.
Yeah.
Okay. Bill, please tell me 3 cats, 2 dogs, and a man.
Uruma Master, Alabama only, Luma Ava Buguri.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the real test. That's the real test.
Acabo, bra. Ruben Muya.
That's the real test, Bill.
One,
Aba Mesu. What was it?
No, it's
Three.
three.
Aba Mesu. Three.
Cats.
Three cats,
Dog.
2 dogs, and a man. This is interesting.
Ya, tráigame allá, pero
Ah,
Where's the Uruwa? Uruwa.
you have the poster right there, Bill. Right behind-
Yeah, I was looking for it.
Yeah.
Not cheap.
Okay.
Oh, it's there too.
Uruwa Mesu.
Yeah,
Jose.
I forgot about that.
Jose.
Mesu.
What was it? Aba Mesu?
2 dogs.
Class? What does it have to write?
3 cats, 2 dogs, 2 dogs,
Okay.
and
The man?
Tu mamá preguntarle si quiere.
Se llama only.
Wow. Gaguti.
Aha.
No,
Gago.
Gaguti.
man is a dog.
And the same thing for the first word.
On the Uruwa. Gaguti.
Oh, yeah, okay. I got it.
And that is applied to usually anything. So if you say,
Okay, now let's analyze it. Not yet.
Okay, oh, it's not off the hook yet.
Have you ever Flessy?
Uruwa Mesu.
only
Hama Biama only. Luma Aba Wuguri.
Okay, translate that.
But if you say
3 cats and 2 dogs and 1 man.
Is that correct?
They all.
Hello?
no,
What's excessive in there?
lumaks.
Luma Aba?
No.
No.
Somebody else?
Simply,
Hama.
only.
Uruwa Mesu.
Yeah, we're listing
Hama.
3 cats, 2 dogs, and a man.
When you say only, it's not a word.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Comma, right?
Yeah. I was thinking about the comma, but I was associating comma with English. That's why I didn't put it. I thought about it.
Which one is that? Ah, so we did not
Yeah, good, yeah.
trying to separate it with hammer instead of comma.
Right.
Okay.
I thought about the comma, but I said I was that's thinking English.
Sorry.
I was telling you that.
Which one is
See?
that?
Big neat.
Yeah, hammer, luma, yeah, with me. Okay.
Bill.
Let me rock. Kita bien.
Odi.
Alright.
All right.
Okay, you alright? Good. I wanted to write a cat. That's it. I'll put more. Just a cat. Alright? Simple. Garifo note, yeah? Yeah? You wanna know how to write cat?
It's right there in the one.
Sarita, you ready? Next. That's cat. I need you to say 1 cat or a cat.
A cat.
A cat.
Te toca Sarita.
Bravo.
All right. Read it. Yay!
Ah, okay. Give me a dog. Okay, just a dog. Get it slow. Okay, right here.
Yeah.
Wow. Dog. Great dog. You're doing well.
You need to bring her every week now.
You want to know how to say dog? Over there on the
Jose, you're next.
check it. Go down, check.
Check the spelling.
You got the right spelling?
hard to see. It's hard to see. It's hard to see.
She got it. She got it.
Ah, you're missing something.
Because from here it looks like L.
Say louder.
Go, Sarita, go.
Come on. Woman.
Dice que se va a desaparecer
Ok, ahí está Sara.
el río Aguán.
Aquí está, así da.
Destruyendo el pueblo.
She's smart, man.
What? Jose is talking?
Yeah, get ready, Joselito. Isani, you haven't been to the board today, Isani. You have? Not today? Oh, okay. You go get me. Now I know you're here. Okay, a man. I want a man, okay? A man.
Wow, look at that.
Okay, a man, a man.
No Mickey Mouse business there. Wow.
Bravo.
Bravo.
Abaye, read that, read it.
A girl.
Okay.
Wow.